In the wake of a hurricane, restoration companies often face the challenge of managing and collecting unpaid invoices. Here's how you can navigate this difficult situation effectively. First, communicate clearly with your clients. Make sure they understand the scope of work completed and the importance of timely payments. Clear, detailed invoices can prevent misunderstandings. Next, follow up on unpaid invoices promptly. Regular reminders and follow-up calls can keep the payment process moving and show your commitment to getting paid. Consider working with financial advisors or legal consultants to explore all available options for collecting overdue payments. They can provide valuable insights and strategies. Offering flexible payment plans can also encourage clients to settle their bills without delay. Show empathy and understanding for their situation while being firm about your need for payment. If you need to collect on a person, company, or entity that you rendered service for but hasn't paid, talk to the Baker Group. We operate on a contingency basis versus a lawyer that would charge hundreds per hour with no assurance, which basically means we don't get paid unless you get paid. Visit gobakergroup.com for more information. We're here to help you secure the payments you're owed.